When the Lamborghini Revuelto was first revealed, it already redefined what a modern V12-powered supercar could look and feel like. But now, thanks to the team at Zacoe Performance, this raging bull has undergone a dramatic transformation that's more Gotham City than Sant'Agata. Introducing the Zacoe Revuelto Stage 2 Widebody Kit, a jaw-dropping makeover that turns Lamborghini's latest flagship into what can only be described as a supervillain starter kit. Earlier this year, Zacoe teased us with its first iteration of a custom body kit for the Revuelto, delivering aggressive styling and motorsport-inspired details that paid homage to Lamborghini's SVJ legacy. But that was only the beginning. Fast forward to August, and Zacoe has just dropped Stage 2, and it's absolutely wild. The new wide-body package builds on the original design while preserving many of the same core elements, meaning existing Stage 1 owners can upgrade without a complete overhaul. This modular approach is not only smart, but also practical for customers who want to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of exotic car customization. Let's break down what makes the Stage 2 Revuelto so extreme. First, every panel and component in the kit is made from high-quality carbon fiber, ensuring lightweight performance and unmatched rigidity. Up front, there's a new hood, splitter, and aggressive aero blades designed to slice through the air like a fighter jet. But the most attention-grabbing feature? The flared front fenders, complete with massive air louvers and cooling vents, giving the car a muscular, almost predatory stance. One key detail worth applauding: no drilling is required. Zacoe's engineering ensures these parts replace the originals instead of stacking on like lower-tier aftermarket kits. This keeps the Revuelto's aerodynamic profile intact and maintains factory build quality. Moving to the rear, the transformation continues. The widened rear fenders echo the aggressive tones set up front and make space for a broader wheel setup, perfect for anyone looking to enhance both stance and grip. Sitting proudly above is a massive swan neck rear wing, giving serious race car vibes. The new rear diffuser and bespoke engine cover, topped with a dramatic roof scoop, further solidify the Revuelto's aggressive, almost militaristic style. But it's not just about looks. Zacoe has also partnered with Phi Exhaust to develop a custom system for the Revuelto, complete with 3D printed exhaust tips that perfectly complement the futuristic aesthetic. This isn't just for show. The new exhaust adds a thunderous soundtrack to match the 1,001 horsepower hybrid V12 engine. While Zacoe has kept pricing under wraps, you can expect a heavy price tag. For comparison, the tuner's wide-body kit for the McLaren 720S costs around $50,000, and the Revuelto, being more exclusive and complex, is likely to push well beyond that. But for those who demand uniqueness and are chasing the ultimate exotic car look, the Stage 2 kit is the holy grail. In essence, Zacoe has taken an already outrageous machine and amplified every element to supercar comic book villain levels. Whether you see it as automotive art or high-octane cosplay, one thing's certain: this is not your average Lambo. The Zacoe Revuelto Stage 2 doesn't just make a statement, it screams.